Original photo print on aluminium die bond. At WhiteWall, we develop your photo print on one of our high-end brand-name photo papers before mounting it on aluminium die bonds. We offer different light-sensitive photo papers for you to choose from. Fuji Crystal DP2 is available in matte or glossy. Likewise, Kodak Endura is available in matte or glossy. For black and white prints, we offer matte Ilford paper. For more info about our photo papers, please refer to our video on photo prints. After the photo print is developed, we seal it with an ultra-thin matte or glossy UV protective laminate. Your photo is protected against debris and the colors hold their luminosity. 75-year brilliant colors guaranteed by WhiteWall. Your laminated photo print is mounted to a 3 mm or 1/8 of an inch aluminium die bond panel. Even in large sizes, this composite material provides stability and durability. As a standard, we attach hanging elements to your picture. This is included in the price and makes it easy for you to hang your picture. The original photo print on aluminium die bond is available in formats as small as 9 by 9 cm to as large as 180 by 122 cm. That's about 3.5 by 3.5 inches to nearly 4 by 6 feet. If you like, you can also add a frame to your picture. We offer different models in numerous materials and colors. All of our frames are made to order in our workshop just outside of Cologne, Germany. We quality control every product. Only after rigorous inspection do we award it our WhiteWall seal of quality. In secure, perfect-sized packaging, your art is well protected during delivery, so it arrives safe and sound. WhiteWall. Pictures that last.